Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you to learn how to cope and remind you that you are not alone. In today's video we are going to be going over journaling, why it hasn't worked for you in the past, and what we can do to change that. Keep watching. So today's video is actually in collaboration with the incredibly talented Sher. She writes the blog Daring Living, and she wrote this amazing blog post about journaling and how to find inspiration about what to write. I am going to link her blog post down in the description box and in the comment section below so you can get some more ideas and inspiration on how to make journaling work for you. But now let's get to today's video. So you bought a journal. Now what? Journaling, like most things in life, is a learned skill, one that I have yet to master. I have tried to journal from a very young age, but I always wrote my journals the way that girls my age did in the movies and in books. I wrote my journal as if someone else was going to read it. Most of the things I wrote didn't matter to me, weren't things I needed to get off my chest, and I wrote it for other people, not for myself. And I think a lot of people who start out journaling do this. They don't want to write down the hard stuff. Well, because it's hard. It makes us feel uncomfortable. We don't want to feel uncomfortable. We want to keep those emotions locked up inside us and never let them out. Stop doing this. If you want to journal in a way that is actually going to help you cope, you have to let out those hard feelings, those emotions, those situations. Let them out of that locked box that's deep inside you and put it on that paper. It's not going to be easy at first. It's going to make you very uncomfortable. You probably won't want to do it, but you have no idea how much of a relief it is to not hold on to that hurt anymore. If you're unsure about where to start, try using a prompt question. Now, what is a prompt question, you might be asking? Well, a prompt question is a question you ask yourself to get those ideas and those emotions flowing. So a few examples of what a prompt question might look like is, for one, what happened recently that made me feel angry, upset, frustrated? Insert emotion here. Or two, how am I feeling right now? When trying to write out your emotions, try not to think too much about what you're writing. Just let it flow out of you. This is called free writing. It doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to be in sentences. Just let your mind wander, let go, and start writing. One of the amazing ideas that Sher blogged about is writing a lessons learned section. Has something happened recently that didn't go your way or didn't go the way you expected it to? This is a great time to reflect. It's a great thing to journal about. What could you have done differently? What happened in that situation that didn't go the way you expected it to? If this situation arose again, how would you react and how would that make you feel? One thing to remember is you don't only have to journal those negative, hard emotions. Journaling positive things are a fantastic idea as well to remind us of all the good things that are around us in the world. Gratitude lists are a major section in a lot of people's journals. They help to remind you of everything that you have to be grateful for. This may seem like a seemingly easy task on the good days, but it's especially important on those hard or bad days to try to think of even small things that you are grateful for. Try to add at least 3 things a day that you are grateful for, and I promise you it'll help elevate your mood. Another amazing idea from Sher's blog is to write out weekly reflections. This can be done any day of the week, but I know I like to do all of my check-ins on Sunday, which reminds me, if you would like to know how I do my Sunday self-care check-in reflection days, let me know in the comment section below, and maybe I'll turn that into a video idea for you guys. So Sher talks about 6 different categories she uses in her weekly check-ins: health and fitness, spirituality, relationships, environment, self-care, and career. To learn more about how she does her weekly check-ins, please remember to check out her blog. Again, I will post it in the description box and the comment section below. The possibilities are honestly endless. And this is your journal. A journal is such a personal thing. So what works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. Try a bunch of different things, see what works for you, but remember, you're journaling for you, no one else. So thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also comment below and let me know how you journal, what works for you and what doesn't. And if you really liked today's video and you would like to see more, please consider hitting that subscribe button. But until next time, remember to be kind to others, but most importantly, be kind to yourself. Bye now.